I'd like to take a moment to show you how your gradebook will look with the revised fourth quarter grading scale. This new scale will be reflected in your gradebooks by the end of the day today. As you can see with this example gradebook, once your grade calculations have been updated, you will only see A, B, C, and I as an in-progress grade for fourth quarter. When it is time to post your grades, we're asking that you do not use this post button, that you manually go in and add the appropriate percentage based off of the actual letter grade that is showing in progress. So students earning an A will be given a 95%. Students earning a B will be given an 85%. The system wants to calculate the 85% as an A because of the changes we've made in percentages. We do want to go in and change that to a B to show the reflected in progress letter grade B. 75. Once again, the system wants to change that to a B, but we want that to be a C for calculating final grades. So we need to go in and adjust that to the correct letter C. An A is a 95% unless a student earns a higher than 95%, and then you'll be putting in their actual percentage. We will not be adding a percentage for incomplete. We just need you to go in and select incomplete, and there's a new canned comment for you to add, which indicates insufficient data for grade. Once you're done adjusting all of the letter grades, all the percentages, then you need to go in and select Save. At this point, you do not want to post grades. If you hit this Post button, it will erase everything that you've put in manually and replace it with the information is here. So once again, we do not want you to be selecting this Post button. We want you to manually add grades, and then you'll hit Save. Once you have adjusted all the quarter grades, then when you go into your final grades, you will be able to just post grades and the percentages will be reflected and calculated correctly for the final grades. You should notice after your gradebook update tonight that you do not see exam grades for second semester.